How to boot into safe mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open Control Center, so just swipe down. Now here to click on this power icon. Now here to click on power off. Now here to click on power off. So after click on power off, so just wait 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, so just click and hold power button and volume down button, so you will see. So after just click and hold volume button and power button, you will see. So you will see. So power mode is turned on. So enter phone passcode and you will see power mode is turned on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can boot into safe mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.